Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
National President kaseng National People's Party Conrad sangma hene kasngi haba keli halor kajing Kynnoh jongka Kongres baka National People's Party kala kro yakino elam kaseng banrung no batka nakaliang Conrad sangma ulaong baha ka politik selada kino elam kikwa banrung syakawe kaseng kila banle ula banrap ru dak baong namar Phim ban penbiang ya kajing donkam jongki wat Kynnoh yangi baki wanrung Susu ulaong ru balada Phim ban Pynïatylli yala ki jong kino elam Hapoh kaseng wat Kynnoh ya Kiwei.
No question of poaching. This is politics. I mean, if you in politics, what else? I mean, if a leader wants to join another political party, and if you are not able to keep your flock together, if you are not able to satisfy or address the concerns of your people, please don't blame other political parties. We are not poaching. You are not able to keep your people together. It's not our fault. And if people want to join political parties, they are free to join. This is democracy. And today people have seen that in the future and current also that it is the NPP that will be able to work and they'll be able to move forward, and that's why they've decided to join with the NPP. I think it's completely the Congress party has no other way to look at it or justify it, and that's why they're blaming us for poaching. But it's important that they should look at into themselves and figure out that there is some problem maybe within the organization.